And so, first question, CTAK has generated an amazing amount of interest in the cornea community since we launched it just a little less than a year ago. So we're happy to get a chance to discuss CTAK in general with you and specifically hear from you about what drove the genesis of this procedure. So, please share with us.
I have been interested in keratoconus for my entire career. And in the mid-teens, had been working a lot on corneal cross-linking for keratoconus. And cross-linking turned out to be a very, very important procedure for decreasing the progression of keratoconus. But it became quite clear at that time that patients had a real need for improved vision. Yes, cross-linking could stabilize the cornea, but patients were severely debilitated vision-wise. Having worked with preserved corneal tissue in the past, I thought that potentially using corneal tissue inlays could improve the corneal optical surface and enhance corneal topography. So at that time, we received IRB approval. That was back in 2015. To use preserved corneal tissue inlays to try to improve corneal topography.
Well, that's really interesting. Obviously, it has developed over the next 10 years to be what it is now. So if I get this accurately, you had been ideating on this solution basically since 2015 with a femtosecond prepared inlay. Is that correct?
That's right. So what we did was this. In the office, we would prepare with our own femtosecond laser corneal tissue inlays to specifications that we evolved from research work looking at corneal topography in KC. First patient that I treated was in 2016. We originally started with larger corneal lenticules that we shaped and implanted. What we found early on was that we were getting good corneal topography results, good flattening of the cone, better symmetry of the cornea, but patients weren't seeing that much better. And we attributed that to the tissue interface. So what we started to do is essentially remove the center of the lenticule and make more of a donut-like configuration. This was subsequently evolved, again with our team, with Drs. Greenstein and Gellies, into the CTAK procedure that we see today. So it really has undergone almost a decade of evolution.